Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to do a cold start on this old 86 C30. As you can see, maybe there's ice. That's ice. Pretty cold. So the truck hadn't been running about a week or two, probably about 2 weeks. And we all know that the choke don't work on it. So I want to swap hands with the camera. Rough on old Chevrolet. Crank it like that. Cold natured. Got good oil pressure though. The alternator works good on it. Clock don't work. I mean it turns, but it don't keep time. Temperature gauge and all work. Everything works except for the clock. And the fuel tank selector don't work. But I ain't using but one tank on here. Actually, believe it or not, the cruise still works on this vehicle. It works daggum good too. Three stroker. Y'all ain't seen the vids up when I built this motor. Go back and look at my vids. You can search by if you look at all vids and do a search for 3 stroker, you'll see the whole series of videos on building this motor. So I hope you enjoyed this cold start, old start. We'll catch you later. Thanks for watching.